samples are given. First of all, discuss about sampling. What is sampling? First know about sampling. It is defined as it is a procedure by which some numbers of population are selected is representative of the entire population. This subgroup is called sample. With some members of population are selected as representative of the entire population. This subgroup is called sample. Here the two words population and sample. First we know about population, what is population and what is sample. For population, the complete collection of all elements to be studied. The complete collection of all elements to be studied. The population is of two types. One is finite population and another is infinite population. It is of two types. It is of two types. One is finite population. Another one is infinite population. First, we shall discuss about finite population. Finite population. Here, finite population. What is finite population? If the number of units in the population is countable in certain time, then it is said to be a finite population. Let's write it. The number of units in the population is countable in certain time, then it is said to be finite population. As for example, the number of students in city college. The number of workers in Ansel. The number of employed in Ansel. The number of trees or the number of trees in a certain area, or we can also write the number of districts in Nepal. The number of districts in Nepal. These all are the examples of finite population. And let's talk about infinite population. For infinite population, how we define infinite population? For infinite population, If the number of units in the population is not countable in certain time, then it is said to be infinite population. If the number of units in the population is not countable in certain time, then it is said to be infinite population. As for example, the total number of fish in Bagmati river. The total number of fish in Bagmati river. The total number of stars in the sky. These all are the examples of infinite population. Now let's talk about sample. What is sample? A sub-collection of elements drawn from a population is known as sample. A sub-collection of elements drawn from a population अब यो स्याम्पलिङको लागि अब एउटा उदाहरण लिऊ। जस्तै तपाई बिरामी पर्नुभएको छ, अब तपाईले अब ब्लड चेकअप गराउँदाखेरि अब ब्लड लिन गयो हैन, अब ब्लड दिने बेलामा अब पुरै ब्लड त दिन मिल्दैन, तर अब हामी चेकअपको लागि त केही न केही त ब्लड दिनै पर्छ। त्यसको लागि एक सिरिन्ज हामी ब्लड दियो हो, त्यो नै हाम्रो एक सिरिन्ज ब्लड भनेको नै त्यो सिम्पल भयो र होल ब्लड भनेको हाम्रो पपुलेसनलाई जनाउँछ। अर्को एक्जाम्पल लिँदाखेरि मानौ कि तपाईको एउटा नागिन पराकाको हैन, नागिन पराकाको एउटा फ्याक्ट्री छ। यदि एक महिनामा तपाईले सबै पराका बनाउनु भयो, नागिन पराका बनाउनु भयो, अब तपाईले बेच्ने बेलामा यदि अब चेक त गर्नै पर्यो। त्यो चेक गर्ने बेलामा यदि तपाई सबै पराकालाई एक महिनाको पराकालाई एउटा एउटा अब बजाएर हेर्नुभयो भने के तपाईको पराका एउटा पनि बाँकी रहन्छ त? रहँदैन। हो, त्यही भएर त्यो चेकअपको लागि अब हरेक दिनको एउटा दुईटा त्यो नागिन पराका लिएर आउनुहोस् र चेक गर्नुहोस्। त्यो सबैको एक एक महिनाको जुन हामी लिएको छौँ त्यो चेक गर्नको लागि, त्यो नै हाम्रो सिम्पल भयो हैन। र एक महिनामा जुन हामी बनाएको छौँ त्यो पराकाहरू, नागिन पराकाहरू, त्यो होल टोटललाई हामी के भन्छ त? पपुलेसनलाई, त्यसले पपुलेसनलाई इन्डिकेट गर्छ। हो, यसरी हामी पपुलेसन र स्याम्पलको बारेमा बुझ्छौँ। एक्जाम्पल फर स्याम्पलिङ, दिस इज ब्लड स्याम्पल एन्ड अनदर इज नागिन पराका स्याम्पल। You should not write. Note. A statistical measure based upon production data, population data. A statistical measure based upon population data is called parameter. A statistical population data is called parameter. Another one is a statistical measure based upon sample is called statistics. Remember this, it is very important for objective questions. Now let's talk about population mean and population variance. Let x1, x1, x2, x3 dot 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 xn be the value in the population of size n, then population mean is equal to x1 plus x2 plus dot 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 xn divided by total number of observations, that is capital N. And second one, that is population variance. Population variance. For population variance, the formula is summation of x minus, in that population mean is denoted by mu and mu square divided by capital N. It is denoted by standard deviation square, sigma square. And for sample mean, for sample, this is also called a statistic. Sample mean x bar is equal to, first of all, let x1